China aims to lead the global artificial intelligence (AI) sector by 2030, aligning with its broader strategy to modernize its economy, strengthen its military, and increase global influence. While the US currently leads in AI, China's ambitions suggest a new technological race. The technological center is shifting eastward. China, once the world's factory, is now a major competitor in developing key future technologies, particularly AI. The country is closing the gap with the US and aims to become the world's leading innovation center by 2030. AI's full potential is not yet predictable, but it is already considered the new electricity due to its varied applications. AI is expected to enhance efficiency and precision, improving social well-being and national security. However, questions remain about labor market disruption, loss of human control, social control, and changes in global power structures. Countries like Canada and the UAE see AI as crucial for the future, promoting the sector and establishing new structures. For example, the UAE appointed an AI minister in 2017. Nevertheless, the US, closely followed by China, leads AI development. China's progress requires understanding its innovative capabilities and objectives. Russian President Vladimir Putin stated that the nation mastering AI will dominate the future. From imitation to innovation, China has risen from a closed agricultural economy to the world's second-largest economy since 1978, driven by cheap labor and technology imitation. With the Made in China 2025 program, China aims to become an innovative industrial power, shifting from imitation to high-quality products. The 13th Five-Year Plan, 2016-2020, reflects this priority. This shift is crucial for economic modernization and the People's Liberation Army (PLA). President Xi Jinping emphasized that science and innovation are key to Chinese military modernization. China has increased its research and development budget, now second only to the US. The government supports high-tech industries and encourages international engagement through the Go Out strategy. Reforms have led to private technology companies competing with Western giants. China is home to a dynamic startup ecosystem, with 1/3 of unicorns being Chinese. While China lags in areas like semiconductors, it has achieved innovative strength in telecommunications and e-commerce. A three-step plan in 2016, Google DeepMind's AlphaGo defeated professional Go player Lee Sedol, signaling China to prioritize AI. The next-generation artificial intelligence development plan aims to catch up with the US by 2020, surpass it by 2025, and become the global leader by 2030. The plan includes significant financial investments, talent training, and international collaborations. AI is seen as an opportunity to gain a decisive advantage. The plan envisions AI in industrial production, justice, public security, and military use. The PLA recognizes AI's potential to consolidate data, support decisions, and develop autonomous weapon systems. However, the plan also reflects China's weaknesses, such as developing powerful computer chips and a shortage of AI talent. Not a paper tiger. 6 months after the AI development plan, the Ministry of Industry and Information Technology published an action plan for 2018-2020. This document outlines goals for product development in areas like connected vehicles, service robots, facial recognition, and AI-supported medical diagnostics. It also aims to develop AI chips and integrate AI into industrial sectors. The action plan overlaps with other measures, including a call for tenders for 13 transformative technology projects and the establishment of a national AI team, with companies like Baidu, Alibaba, Tencent, and iFlytek. A giant AI campus in Beijing is also under construction. Chinese AI companies are developing internationally, with Baidu and Tencent opening research institutes in the US. Google is establishing an AI center in Beijing to attract talent. China aims to shape the global AI infrastructure by developing standards, giving Chinese companies long-term advantages. The China Standard 2035 guidelines are being developed for this purpose. Favorable starting conditions. China's AI ambitions are supported by its resources, including government-private company links, military-civilian integration, and a focus on dual-use technologies. China has a high volume of published AI research and the largest number of internet and smartphone users globally, providing immense datasets for training AI algorithms. AI is already ubiquitous in Chinese society, particularly in public security. Facial recognition software in surveillance cameras aims to increase social stability and control, but it also raises privacy concerns. Political scientist Sebastian Heilmann warns against the international spread of such a model, likening it to digital Leninism, a new technological race. The US government has mainly reacted to China's AI ambitions by curbing investments rather than supporting American potential. Companies like Google, Amazon, and Facebook lead the US in AI, but political decisions are diminishing this lead. The US military is also struggling with eroding technological superiority. The acquisition of US AI resources by Chinese actors and unequal market access are growing concerns. The Foreign Investment Risk Review Modernization Act aims to control foreign investments in US companies developing critical technologies like AI. In the long term, China could benefit from its own efforts and the lack of an AI strategy in the US. If China succeeds in becoming a global AI power, it will significantly impact the international community. However, it remains to be seen whether China will approach this development cooperatively or confrontationally.